Hi everyone. In today's video, we will talk about feature section or you can say highlight section of website. And we will also create a sample with Elementor widgets. Now, what is a feature section? Feature section generally grabs attention, being an essential part of web page. Generally, you must have noticed it after hero section. It is a kind of multi-purpose section, and by applying tweaks to it, you can enhance UX of website. Generally, with the usage of icons, images, short text, call of action, you can make this section easy to scan for your audience. By adding such section to your website, you can achieve many things very quickly. For example, you can communicate what the product offers. You can highlight the best selling points of your service. You can improve conversion rates by adding call to actions. You can build trust showcasing unique benefit or key points. You can help potential customers with comparison of services and products very easily. You can also support storytelling by showing how your offering will solve a user's problem. And there are many unique ways to show this section. Now let's quickly create one sample that how you can convert content into a feature section. So for example, we have taken this website. It is a yoga website. So industry is health, and they are offering here. They are mentioning that what kind of products they have. They are offering three kind of yoga courses. That is Hatha, Vinyasa, and Ashtanga. So instead of showing a simple paragraph, we are converting this piece of content into a catching feature section. So let's create it. So I'm creating one section. I'm dividing this content into a various widget. So to title this particular services features, let's add first title. So piece of this content I am adding as a title. Okay. Now to explain about these services or you can say products of this yoga school, we have this piece of content. So this para I am taking it as a simple paragraph only. Let's add some margin here for better white space. Okay. To distinguish better, let's add some divider. So here is a preview. Okay, here width is missing. Okay, so this is the you can say header for our section. It is prepared. Now we have three products, so we are showing these products in a grid manner. So for that I am taking a new part. Okay, we don't need this below thing. Now to enhance, to grab attention, I am adding more piece to it, like I am highlighting a title, its content. I am adding a call of action and image. So for that, let's add first image. I want similar style equivalent to this header on this. So I'm pasting that style. Let's make size little bit smaller. Okay. Now here I want details of this services or their course or whatever you can say. So here it will show the details of that services or product. Then below it I want to show some call of action. So for that I'm choosing button. Okay, so let's add actual data. Now we have transfer below content to above and just make a small section of this feature. Now let's add some styling and make more relevant to our web page. So this is a purely styling part. We have converted para to the section already. I want call to action black only. Okay, now this is something I want it on my web page, so I'm just simply duplicating it. Okay, now we don't need this. Now let me transfer below content to this dummy data. So after revising few styles here and there, this is how final output showing. Now you can notice how simple 3-4 lines are converted into a very attractive part of the website. So this is how with the help of widget you can develop content styling. This is it for today. Thank you for watching.